Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it, and let's get right into it. So someone once told me that you have to go confidently in the direction of your dreams, and that stuck with me. And you know, since then I've always applied that to every single little thing that I do. And we have to realize that confidence is the key to everything. When you have confidence, when you do everything you do with confidence, people don't doubt you. People just assume that you know. People just seem to be sold on what you're saying. So you have to have confidence. And the sad thing is that confidence is not something that you're born with. Confidence is a skill set that you have to learn, and it's a skill set that you develop and really get good at as you get older, as you put yourself in a situation where you have to be confident. For example, you know, as a kid, you just do whatever because you don't worry about what people say. But as you grow, your confidence slowly gets knocked down because people start pointing out your flaws. People start pointing out what you're not so great at. People start to bring you down. People feed on those insecurities. You have to realize, do you know what? I'm going to reclaim my confidence. I'm going to put myself in a place where I will work on my confidence, and I will be. And you'll see the difference that it makes. If you're not confident and you always seem to doubt everything you do, people will treat you in the same way. People will just disregard you straight away because they can see that you're not confident within yourself. People will take advantage of you because they can see that you're lacking confidence, you're lacking self-worth, you're lacking because you don't even believe in yourself. And you have to realize that how can people believe in you when you don't even believe in yourself? So the key is being able to develop your confidence, and that leads into every single little thing that you do in life. And it's something that you have to do to be the best version of yourself. You have to ooze confidence. Have you ever seen some people just walk into a room and demand attention, and you just look at them and think, wow, that person's got it together. You might not even realize that person might be in the worst possible state, but they are projecting confidence that makes you believe that they have it all together. They're projecting that they have their life together. So it's all about confidence. Yes, sometimes you may have to fake your confidence, fake it to make it, until you really start believing that you are confident. Once you start realizing what you have to offer, you realize your strengths, you realize that you are valued as a human being, you realize that you deserve more than what you may actually be getting, the more your confidence will develop. And the more you put yourself out there, right? We're confident about things we know. And if you can speak so much on something, you speak on it with confidence. So why not try and develop your knowledge in places that you may not particularly know? Maybe you're trying to start a business, or maybe you're working on your business and you're not really confident on pulling customers. Maybe why not work towards that? Why not work and develop that skill set? Maybe you're not good at public speaking. Why not start putting yourself in a situation where you have to speak until you're very confident? You have to really put yourself out there, and you realize that confident people put themselves out there daily. They don't really care about what other people have to say about them. So you have to realize that, right, you know what, I'm as great as the next person. I have something to offer. And you realize how your confidence will grow. And the way I see it is, you can either be your worst nightmare, your worst critic, or your biggest cheerleader. And I say you have to be your own cheerleader. Not everyone will be standing there waiting to clap for you. Sometimes you have to clap for yourself and have to be confident and realize, I can do this even if no one is behind me right now. I can do this despite it being contradictory to what everyone else is doing. Have confidence in what you have to offer. Have confidence in your product. If you know that this is the life that you want, be confident and tell people, yes, this is what I want and I'm going to go for it. That way it leaves room for no doubt. That way it stops people from doubting you, stops people from planting things that you don't want to hear. It stops people from letting you progress to the next level. Have confidence in your dreams, have confidence in your goals, and go confidently in the direction of your dreams. People will take you seriously. Have you ever seen people that have no qualifications, right? Nowhere near as enough qualifications as you, go into a job interview with confidence, speak as if they know exactly what they're talking about, and get the job than somebody else who's a bit more nervous, who might seem unsure of themselves, projecting that you're not sure of who you are, and they may think that you're not well suited for the job. So you have to be confident. Being confident in your relationships, being confident that your relationships will work. And being confident doesn't mean that you don't realize that you make mistakes. Yes, you will make mistakes, but you own up to those mistakes, and you're confident confident that yes, I'm going to make mistakes, but I'm going to pick myself up and I'm not going to let this get in the way. I'm confident that this will work out, even if it means redirecting or accessing it through a different route, but I know that I will get there. So whatever it is that you may be trying to get to, whatever it is that you may be trying to improve in your life, just remember to do it with confidence. Make sure that you have the confidence to voice your own opinions, regardless of how uncomfortable it makes other people. If it's within your morals, if you believe that there's injustice, if you believe that things aren't treated fairly, if you believe that you deserve more than you're currently getting, speak up, use your voice, and do it with confidence. Thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you on my next one.